ready to set sail!
What are they doing here? Why are you messing around on my ship?
We wanted to see what it was like on board. We didn't think anyone was here.
Nice to meet you all. I'm Captain Parrot, explorer of the ocean.
But I'm the captain here.
What? This is my ship, and that makes me the captain. Besides, I have the treasure map.
No way! I want to be the captain.
Not today. My ship, I'm the captain. Why did you do that?
Maybe here. Guess not. Where could it be? Owie! Guys, it's up there. Put it back together.
Off to find the treasure!
Aye, Captain! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6!
Look at that! Isn't there a palm tree on the treasure map?
Wow!
We found the treasure! Of course, my crew will receive treasure as well.
Yeah!
Another one for you and for you!
Here, subscribe to our channel.